let you guys choose. Alright? So we're gonna start with the Passat. Alright? We're gonna start with
Let's start with the Passat.
yeah, everybody behind me, this guy backfired. So I have insurance and I have liability, but I'm not trying to get you in the hospital. So I need anybody on this side of the tailpipe, you gotta move. Just gotta move. Thank you. I'll take the liability, I'll stand in front of it. Alright? Good.
Bro, it's not expecting.
Let me just cover my ears now.
I think I busted my eardrums.
Alright, now this is the hard part. You have to listen up. You gotta listen up.
You can't hear.
Oh my God.
You gotta listen up, listen up, listen up. We're gonna start cheering. I'm gonna say each car at a time. Only cheer for the car you want to win. Only cheer for the car you want to win. Alright? We're gonna start off with the Silver Passat. Silver Passat. Jetta. Quiet. Mustang. Alright, we're gonna C6Z. Alright, we're gonna do it one more time. Sorry, Mustang. It's gonna be between the Jetta and the C6Z. We're gonna reverse it. I want to hear the C6Z right here. Alright, for the Jetta.
You gotta help us decipher. That sounds way too close. Hold up. The Mustang is out. We good? Everyone understand that? So we're gonna go back to the C6Z, and then I'm gonna come back to the Jetta, but y'all gotta help me decipher this thing. C6Z, let's hear it. Jetta.
Jetta hurts.
Listen, one more time, if we can't decipher the winner, they're going to split the pie, alright? They're going to split the pie, it's only there. It's hard to hear, guys, it's very hard to hear. I mean, if you stand over there, it sounds the same, vice versa. Alright, one more time for the C6Z. Alright, for the Passat, the Jetta.
You gotta
give it to the 509.
Yeah, let's do this. If you're with the Jetta, do me a favor and just move over here real quick. That way we can. If you're with the Jetta, come on, quick. I got all that.
It looks like they're
Let's move. Alright. What which obviously means if you want the Z06, come over here, C6Z over here, quick. Alright. You stand in the middle. C6C, let's hear it.